Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So in the yesterday's video, I have mentioned that we have purchased the call option of a Lupin. So in line with that analysis, you can see that we did get that gap up opening and the further gains was also there as the stock tried to trade on a higher side. So we need to be very quick on the booking profit whenever we feel that the market is tumbling or market is not able to sustain on a higher side. So that was the result of the looping. Now let us come back and analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level. So we'll start our analysis with the option activity range. So guys, if you see the broad option activity range for the Nifty is 10,400 to 10,700, and if you analyze the call data, what you can see that the call writing has now coming near to the close prices. So 10,500 to 10,700 has seen a good amount of call writing. 10,400 to 10,450 strike prices has seen a call long covering. So all in all, it did suggest a bearish sort of pattern. So that was okay, but the surprise things come when you see the put side. So again, the put side has seen a good amount of put writing that has been happening. So 10,500 has again seen a major change in open interest, close to 7,83,000 shares have been added. So 10,500 has been a good sort of support for the market, and the put writing is getting continued. So 10,450 to 10,600 are the strike prices which have witnessed the put writing in today's session as well. 10,650 has seen a creation of a fresh bearish position, and 10,700 has seen a again a put writing. So it's quite interesting to know that the call participants are expecting stable to bearish kind of move, where the market participants on a put side are expecting a stable to bullish kind of move. So both the things are common, that the market should stay stable, if at all it should not go down. But my analysis is entirely different on the basis of various other technical indicators that we to consider while deciding our strategy. So that's the only reason what we have done is we have gone short in the Nifty today. So let me just share my WhatsApp screenshot with you. So this is my WhatsApp, and as you guys can see, I have purchased a Nifty April 10,600 put option at a 102 and 65 paisa. So let me just share you the reason for going short. First and foremost, if you guys can see, in this particular zone market faces a very good sort of resistance. So here you can also see that the market did gone to a 10,590 kind of level. Here you can also see it has been facing resistance. So this three particular instances are there where the market has seen resistance, and this at this particular juncture as well the market is facing resistance and not able to sustain on a high side. So only the put writing is only helping the market to stay on a high side. So as soon as we witness a put writing is put writers are covering their position, market will or market should fall. Further, if you see the CCI, it's still in the brush 100 zone, but it is facing resistance on a higher side. So you can sort of see two sort of two tops you can observe here. So if this particular range is broken, you can definitely see acceleration in the down move. Apart from that, the MACD, the 583 MACD has already generated a bearish crossover. Here you can see uh, longer term MACD, though it is breaking above the exponential zone, it is sort of stalling on a high side. RSI, you can clearly see a tilt toward the lower zone, indicating quite sort of top sort of formation. So considering all this, I feel that the market should go down. However, 10,500 should act as a good sort of support for the market, and if that particular level gets broken, you can definitely see and expect a good amount of down move till a particular level, which should be 144 days exponential moving average, which has been acting as a good sort of final support for the market. So that's all for Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is kind of suggesting. So let us first analyze the option activity range for the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty 23,000 to 25,500 is the broad option activity range, and if you just analyze the data, what you can see here is that the Bank Nifty has not been able to sustain on a high side. Here you can also see this particular this particular level has been acting as a good sort of resistance for the market, and the next down move would take the Bank Nifty to 24,748 if this particular down move accelerates. So if you analyze the call data, what you can see is there has been a good sort of call long covering that has been happening in the market, and the call writing specifically has been happening near the strike prices of 25,100 to 25,500. And again, interesting part is put side. You can definitely see some sort of put long covering that has happened. So again, it is indicating bullish position. Put short covering has happened on a high side, so that is indicating a bearish position. So all in all, one thing is quite clear that on a lower side, market has been observing a good sort of support by way of put writing or the put long covering, whatever the position you may be observing. So on a high side, market participants are expecting some sort of hold. So though there may be upside, the upside should be limited, and market should ultimately at least trade on a stable to downside as per my observation and analysis. And at most, I feel that the market should go down from here. As you can also see, there is also a bearish crossover that has been generated in a MACD side. The longer term MACD is also sort of generating a bearish crossover, and the RSI is also not able to sustaining on the previous resistance level and is going down. So to be very sure that this down move will come, RSI needs to break below the level of 50. So we are early into the trade, so let's see what happens. But as of now, my analysis suggests that the market should mostly stay stable or break on a lower side. So let's see. So that was my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you want to learn how I am generating this buy and sell signal, you may learn the entire system by checking out the playlist from my video description section. Apart from that, you can join my WhatsApp and Telegram channel. The details have been provided in the description section as well. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon if you want to get daily update. In case if you have any doubt, comment, question or query, you can always mention it in the comments section of the video. Thank you, guys. And